Okay, today we are going to see number theory. Now, this number theory is a pure branch under maths and physics. Now, for preparing for IOQM, better preparation. Now, today we are going to start off with the IOQM portions one by one now itself. Now, we should know what is meant by prime number first of all. What is meant by prime number? What is meant by prime number? Can anyone answer what is meant by prime number? If the number of factors of any number, if the number of factors of any number is one and itself, it is termed as prime numbers. Yes. Now, can anyone give an example? So 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Now, my question is, they will give you questions like, they won't ask like this. They'll ask like number of prime numbers below 20 is equal to alpha. Let us consider that set of prime number is equal to alpha. So that alpha is nothing but set of prime numbers below 20. Correct? Now, beta, they'll give you a divisor of alpha. It is a divisor of alpha. Can anyone tell the answer for the question? What is alpha? Tell what are them? One is a prime number. One is neither prime nor composite. Why? What is that one factor? Now 2, 3, 5, 7 till. So this is alpha. Now beta is what? Can anyone find and tell me what is beta value? Hello? Hello? What is beta value? That is the question I wrote in the board. My question is, what is that? Beta, a divisor of alpha. Alpha is prime numbers. What is divisor of alpha? That is the answer for the question. Next, we are going to now we are going to see subdivisions under prime numbers. Now, what is prime factorization? You all must know. So, prime factorization means everyone will tell easily. That is expressing a composite number as a prime numbers product. For example, give me one number 24. Express this. Again, 2 cube into 3 square I can express. Sorry. So 2 cube into 3 I can express, correct? Now, this is very important. Either you know or not, we have to listen. Prime counting functions. This is 11th and 12th portion, prime counting functions. Now, what is meant by prime counting functions, we will see. Now, the concept is it is denoted by the letter phi of x. It is denoted by the letter phi of x. Now, hello? Hello. Now it is clear our voice. Yes. Okay. Now it is a mathematical concept. Okay. It is a mathematical concept. Now in this mathematical concept, they are termed as mathematical functions that counts the number of prime numbers less than or equal to a given number x. Now, if they are given a question, for example, phi of 10. Now, what is the answer for phi of 10? Are you there? Huh? 10 prime numbers are. What is this? That's why you should be attentive. All the numbers I am not asking. I am asking what is prime counting function. Prime counting function is denoted by phi of x. Now this mathematical function we will use it to count the prime numbers. For example, pi of 2. அதாவது if I am taking 2, below 2 how much prime numbers are there, or that number x itself is termed as prime number. So 2 itself is a prime number. So pi of 10 is, sorry, pi of 2 is equal to 1. Because the only one prime number below that is 2. Correct? Now find for pi of 10 is equal to, tell the answer. How many pi of 10 is equal to? I'm asking pi of 10, not the values. I'm asking pi of 10. Now find for pi of, okay. Is f of x equal to, if f of x equal to 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2. This is f of x. F of 2 equal to f of 2 equal to f of 2 is equal to alpha plus beta. So f of 2 is equal to alpha plus beta. Sorry. No. F of 2 is equal to alpha by beta. Let us take f of 2 is equal to alpha by beta. Now they are asking pi of f of x equal to pi of f of x equal to 4. They are asking equal to 1. Shall we solve this question? Now f of x would be equal to 2x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2. Now f of 2 they have given us alpha by beta. Let us combine these two equations and find. So alpha by beta is equal to, this will become as 2 into 2 power 4 plus, I have to write this in this format. So 2 into 4 plus 2 I can write. So this will be becoming as 2 into 16 plus, this will become as 8 plus this is 10. So this is 42. This alpha by beta I can express as which multiples? I can express alpha plus beta is equal to 6 by no. I can express it as how? I can express into 2 divided by 2. Then it will become as 84 by 2. We have to keep it like this because the denominator is also prime number. Correct? Let us keep up to this. So 84 by 2. 2 is the least number, so I am keeping it like this. So this 84 by 2 is the f of x value. This is the f of x value. Now they are asking us to find what pi of f of x they are asking. So pi of f of x they are asking. Pi of f of x. Which means phi of there is a formula. I'll tell you. Pi of x can be found by x by L and x. This can be used only in case of prime number theorem. I will teach you that now, prime number theorem. So now we are going to see that prime number theorem, but for phi of 42. So phi of 42 means there is no formula generally because we cannot able to find the log value of 42. Correct? Now we can just do like pi of 42. I can equate it with the formula and I can do like what are the prime numbers less than that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 17, 23, 29, then 31, 37, 41. Like that you can write. Next one more method is coming. I'll teach you that method. This how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So n of pi of 42 equal to 13. So this is the answer for the question. Can I give few more questions? This is homework question. Ah, Okay, find for value of. Hello, note of this question. Prime now that concept I don't know. Yes, yes. So now solve this question if pi of x equal to. No, in the syllabus they have given specifically prime counting function because that is a basic thing you have to know, and most of the people won't focus on that. That's why they have given. If pi of my phone stick is not working. Yes, sir. Listen, it is start writing. So pi of x they have given us. So if pi of x is equal to 10, if pi of x is equal to 10, find the value of x up to this signal. Find the value and tell me, then we'll go to the next sum. Write the prime numbers and do. If you find it means if any other formula is there, I will tell you. Now what is prime number theorem? P, N, T like that we are representing for our knowing. So it describes the distribution of prime numbers. It describes what? Distributions are not distributed. What distributive and distribution are different. No. Mm. What is pi of x? Now only I thought. Yes, that is also correct only, but generally we used to tell it as prime counting function. Now ln x is the natural logarithm. What is natural logarithm? The log. Yes. So this is termed as natural logarithm. Now this is the concept we have to know. Now, did you write down? What's it? Did you copy these notes? Now what is log ex is natural logarithm. Okay. Now we are going to see interpretation. What is interpretation of prime numbers theorem? First of all, what is interpretation? Then, so listen, uh, I should not teach you. This is as per English. English word, new word, right? This is so it is kind of process of understanding or explaining. For example, I am doing interpretation to you. Correct? Now let us come back to the topic. After irregular things we should not do. Now listen. Now interpretation of prime number theorem. Now copy down from this prime number theorem's interpretation. No sir, still I take 10 more minutes. Now, no need sir. Be quiet sir. Now. So it teaches the one thing that is known as sorry, cryptography. What is cryptography? Have you come across this term? Tell sir. What you're telling, boy? Leave. The distribution of prime numbers is crucial in this, correct? Why RSA encryption? What is RSA encryption? Find this and comment. What is RSA encryption? Find it and comment in YouTube channel comment box. So interpretation la it is explaining the growth rate of primes, probability of primality. What is probability of primality? So it implies the probability of a random integer is being prime approximately 1 by ln x. Okay. Now, last I will teach today this, then I'll give you problems. Up to that, we can complete today. Now, this is very important. Finally, we are coming to Sieves method. What is Sieves method? What is Sieves method? Not the sieve which used to do some cleaning works. Tell what is sieve. So there are how many methods? Now we are going to see a simple method. Eratosthenes. Ah, save. Sir, save means what, sir? Nice you say. Save, this A is coming. In save, this I is coming. Nicely do, sir. Eratosthenes save method we are going to see. Very important concept. Look at this. Look at this. So C method now, it is a set of technique. It is a kind of a set of technique which is used in number theory. It is used in number theory to what? To count the count or estimate the number of prime numbers or other, what's it? Have you copied this? You copied certain properties, huh? Now only I'm writing, eh? You copied us, sir. Nicely you're listening, sir. Now what is okay, sir. Now tell me what is Sieves method. Nicely you're copying, sir. Sorry, you didn't even copy, sir. Sorry. Number of set of technique. We are using a specific set of technique. Now what is set? What is it, sir? This is termed as sets. So the set of techniques will use it in case of number theory to count or estimate the number of prime numbers. Okay. Can I give some problems? Sorry. I should teach the first step. So CS method is what that C is doing. He's a very bad person. So, what he did is he took one some chart paper. He wrote the numbers up to 100, but for now I'm writing some 2 to 3 numbers alone. Up to this is it enough? Now, general question. Pi of 42. What is pi of 42 with this question? Composite or prime. So he left this number. He does it like this one. So what he did, he just shaded this number like this because it is a neither thing. So we should not bring this into this system, right? Correct? Hello? So now what he did is he gave a space over here. Next, he just take 2. 2 வந்து before only 1 is there. So it is a prime number, right? No common factors there. Correct? Now he shaded like this. Half he shaded. He shaded like this. Now what are the common elements for 2? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Like this he shaded. Then 22. Next 24. Next 26. Next 28. Next 30. Next 32. Next 34. Next 36. Next 38. Next 40. Next he did after this. Correct? Now what he have done? Now whatever numbers are being shaded. What are numbers and all shaded? that 2's multiples, right? Except two, except two, except two other numbers which are being shaded, that